Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today our group are going to present about our group project 2, which is PC proposal for course technical support services and maintenance for information agencies IMD 222. My name is Muhamad Fikri Hakimi bin Yunus.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus Ilmi bin Suzarwadi.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahrul Izwan bin Azizan.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Wahab.
Okay, the first one we are going to introduce about our analysis of client needs. Our client specification is she wants to use the PC for utility software, programming software, authoring software, and a little bit of gaming and watching movie, and also for storing file. So we consider first the GPU, processor and memory, hard drive and monitor that we will choose for this PC. And for the computer specification, the first one is motherboard. The motherboard that we will choose is MSI A320M A Pro Max AMD AM Micro ATX Gaming motherboard. And this motherboard supports first, second and third generation of AMD Ryzen with Radeon Veda graphics and second generation AMD Ryzen with Radeon. And the memory also supports DDR4 memory up to 3200 MHz. And it also has audio boost, XBoost software that auto detects and allow you to boost the performance of any storage or USB device. Okay, next is computer case. The computer case that we will use is TechWare Nexus Evo case. This computer case has I/O super speed USB 3.0 and 1 HD audio plus 2 USB 2.0. And it supports ATX, MATX, ITX motherboards and 350 maximum GPU card strength. The size is 405mm length, 201mm width and 435mm height. And the next one is hardware. The first hardware is processor. The processor that we choose is AMD Ryzen 5 2600 processor with Brave steel cooler. And the key features is AMD Stormy technology, which enhance load times, boot times, file management, and system responsiveness. And the second one is AMD SenseMe technology, which is the true machine intelligence. And the third one is AMD Ryzen Master Utility, the power to overclock 3D. And the fourth one is AMD Ryzen Socket AM4 platform. And the next one is the memory that we will choose is the G-Skill RigJaws V16GB DDR4 2400 MHz. The brand is Patriot and the Viper Elite series. It has the capacity of 8GB and the speed of DDR4 2000 and 2400, and the voltage is 1.2 volts. And for the graphic card, we will use NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. The specification is it has 1280 cores, 1530 MHz base clock and 1725 MHz boost clock. And it also has 4GB GDDR6 memory, and it has the memory bandwidth of 192 GB per second.
The next one, I will explain about the sound card that we use for the PC. It is Asus Zona GHX PCLE GX 2.5 PCIe. It boot in headphone AMP and power up every sound detail in gaming. GX 2.5 also for realistic 3D audio effect. The next one is power supply. The power supply we use is Silverstone ST50F ES230. Its power density is 277 77 watt per liter, and its net output is 500 watt. It has its own protection like overpower protection, overvoltage protection, and short circuit protection. The next one is hard drive. Hard drive that we use is WD 1TB Blue 5400 RPM 2.5 SATA 3 internal mobile drive. Its capacity is 1TB. The drive type is HHD, and the spindle speed is 5400 RPM. The next one is about the DVD drive. The DVD drive we use is Asus DRW 24B1 ST internal SATA 16 time DVD disc rewriter. The enclosure type is internal, and DVD access time is about 150 ms, and CD access time is 130 ms. The next one is VGA cable. The VGA cable we use is Pearstone standard VGA male to VGA female extension cable 1.3. It is about 28 AWG copper conductor, and it has high resolution video transfer and double shielding with free rate braid and more strain relief.
Assalamualaikum. I'm here to present about the power cable that Nawal can use for her PC. Okay, Nawal can use the power cable that have 3 feet, which is 0.9 millimeter. I think the power cable is really suitable for our PC because it's have the voltage of compatibility in 100 to 250 volts, and it also has the maximum input of amps, which is in 10 amperes. The conductor material, which is from the free copper, it's suitable for oxygens, and the jacket is a PVC material which is can manage the temperature in 105 Celsius. Okay, next we have the drive adapter cable. Nawal can use the model from StarTech, which is also really suitable for her PCs. The adapter cable that's I recommend, which is the adapter spots, a SATA interface that is compatible with SATA 1, 2 and 3, which is base hard drive and SSDs. On the other end, it also has a typical USB Type-A connector that utilizes the USB 3.0 technologies, which delivers speed of up to 5 gigs. And in addition, USB also enhances the transfer speeds when the adapter is connected to USB, which is the enable the host controller. Okay, next we have the SATA cable from Kzone. I think the design is really flexible for Nata PC because it improves the airflow or reduce clutter in your computer case. It's also compatible with serial ATA hard drive, which is Blu-ray, DVD, CD drive, and also other serial ATA devices. Okay, next I talking about the system software that Nawal can use. The firstly is operating system. Nawal can use the model of Windows 10 OEMs, which is the full versions of the operating system that not an upgrade. To acquire Windows software with support provided by Microsoft, Nawal can see the full package from retail products. Next, now I also can put the productivity programs such as Adobe Master Collections, which is the Adobe Master Collections of CC 2020 is a collection of applications from Creative Cloud of 2020, which is line and several junior versions programs that combine a single installer with the ability to select the installation path and the language of the install program. Such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InCopy, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Lightroom, and others. Okay, now I also can put the additional software such as Google Chrome, VLC Media Player, Avira Antivirus, and other additional software that really helpful for her PC. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
For the input device, we have two, which is mouse and keyboard. For the mouse, we are using the Corsair Gaming M65 Pro RGB FPS gaming mouse. We chose this because it has 12,000 dpi. It is a very sensitive and precise mouse. It also has some extra button on it and very suitable for gaming purposes. These are going to help Nawal not only for gaming but also for editing. The keyboard, we are using a Corsair Kin 95 RGB Platinum Mechanical Gaming keyboard. This keyboard are very responsive for its user because it has 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover, ensures your commands and simultaneous keystroke always register when you intended. This keyboard have RGB light which are great for cosmetic purposes. It also will synchronizes with the mouse and that we have chosen for Nawal. For the output device, for the monitor, we are using the Gigabyte G32QC. It has QHD with 165Hz, high resolution and fast refresh rate, giving you the detailed display quality and fluid gaming experience. It also have 8-bit color and 94% DCI-P3. The design of this monitor are very simple but stylish. It comes with VESA Walmart compatible, and Nawal will have an amazing experience playing games on this monitor and also do editing work. For the speaker, we are using the Logitech Z200 stereo. We chose this because the price is so reasonable with the features that they provide, such as adjustable bass, customize your listening experience, such as adjusting the bass level with the tone control dial, simple control which easily access power, volume and bass, and lastly headphone jack which you can use to listen to your music privately. The next is the price consideration. As you can see, this is all of the components price, and it total up at 5,955 ringgit, which are 45 ringgit below the budget. For conclusion, it is very necessary for us to take precaution in choosing the right equipment and software in suggesting for a complete system specification regarding the new PC. Each one of the chosen equipment plays their own important roles in running the whole PC as one unit. So if we choose the wrong equipment, the PC might occur and a few problems, or maybe it will not be functioning at all. For example, important software such as an operating system that we choose must be compatible with the type of computer that we will build. That's all from us, and thank you.